everybody, this is your TinyCoder back again with another coding session. For this session guys, I'm gonna introduce you guys to a new library in Python called Pandas. Yes, so guys, Pandas is actually a very powerful Python library that you can use for data manipulation, data analysis, and you can also work a lot with data. That's what Pandas is, guys, but why should you use Pandas? Well, so mainly you should use Pandas because why? It's powerful, it's fast, and it's also very easy to learn because it has a lot of concepts or a lot of functionality, so that's also good. And at the same time, it's very fast and it also has a lot of speed. And it's also built using NumPy, just so you know. It's behind the scenes of Pandas. There's NumPy going on. So that's why, NumPy is actually a very fast Python library. So that's why Pandas is fast as well. And also, it's a very important library that you can use. And why? Well, because it's actually very good if you want to manipulate some data, guys. And like when I say that, I just mean work with data. It's really good and it's also very fast. Speed is probably the main reason actually, I would say, why people go to Pandas and NumPy, because speed is a lot. And as you go on and work with a ton of data, this will be a very important thing. Speed is going to be very important because you don't want a slow application, right? You don't want an application that just responds very slowly or does not respond that much, right? So that's why Pandas is actually a really good library for that. So that's what it is. And installation, well, so there's actually an installation page, guys, here. And if you just type in a Google search Pandas installation, you'll get this page popping up, and that's fine. But there's just a lot here, guys. You can see there's a lot of explanation. But the overall idea, or the easiest way to install Pandas, is to install it as a part of Anaconda distribution. And that's what it says there. So you can, then you can install Pandas with Anaconda. However, you can also do it using pip. So that's actually the installation of Pandas, guys. And I'm gonna give you guys a small URL every video, and with that URL you can just use that as the data set. So it's actually just a URL from the web online, and we're just using that with Pandas, meaning that we're gonna have a Pandas function, and once we fetch the data, we'll just take in that data set. So that's the URL. And also, guys, for this video series, I'm not gonna use VS Code or the idle shell. I'm gonna actually use what we call Jupyter Notebook or the IPython notebook, guys. So this is using Anaconda, and you can see why I used it. In the installation page, it clearly says that the easiest way is to use it with the Anaconda distribution, guys. However, I do have the Anaconda, and inside that there's an application which is called Jupyter Notebook. And actually, I feel like it's a really good tool, and it's also really good for teaching. So don't worry if you don't know it, it's fine. It's just another form of coding. So don't worry much about the formatting or style of it. Just focus on the coding part because it's actually not too tough. So this, guys, was just an introductory video, guys. On the next videos, I'm gonna give you guys a brief introduction to Pandas. Until then, see you later.